Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer Apple Cash to Chime card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's dive into it. First thing first, open up your wallet app on your phone. Then tap on the Apple Cash or Apple Cash card. As soon as you've tapped on, this is how the interface is going to look like. And as highlighted, you got to tap on this option of a three dot given on top right corner. Now, as soon as you've done that, it will give you more options, including transfer to bank. You're going to be tapping on the transfer to bank. Once you have done that, you will find the option of selecting a bank that you would like to transfer to. Select your bank. Then once you selected your bank, go ahead and add in the amount that you would like to send. Now you can see highlighted transfer to my bank edit option. You're going to be tapping on there and you can add in your credentials of the transfer. So you're going to add in the credential of your Chime card or Chime bank respectfully. Then once you have confirmed it, come over here, add in the amount and tap on transfer on the top right corner once again. Then once you have done that, now you have to choose two options, which is instant transfer. You can do instant transfer which will simply charge you some money, or you can do the 1 to 3 business days for the transfer, which will be without the fee. Choose any and then confirm it, and then your transaction will be done. Later on, you can check on your Chime card or bank whether you have received the amount or not. That's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.